Camtasia Studio Recorder and its options. After completing this video tutorial, you will be able to understand Camtasia Studio Recorder and different options present in it. This is a record button in Camtasia Studio. When you click on this button, you will see this window. This is the Camtasia Studio Recorder. This is having major regions like selecting the area, record inputs and a record button. Within the selecting area, you can choose full screen or custom size. And in the recorded inputs, you can choose camera. If you have a webcam attached to your desktop or laptop, you can activate it here. If you have microphone attached to your PC, you can activate it here. And it shows how much volume your audio is having. And finally, when you click here, this gets deactivated and it becomes like this. It shows the duration, how much time it is recording. And see, when I am talking, audio is increasing. These are the two versions of the recorder. This is before clicking on the record button. This is after clicking the record button. Right now I am recording, and you can stop, you can pause, you can delete this recording. This is the basic options present in recorder, and we will see other details right now. When you want to record your screen with the Camtasia Studio, after opening Camtasia Studio, you need to click here. When you click here, that gets closed and Camtasia Studio Recorder pops up. This is the Camtasia Studio Recorder. This itself looks like a small software. See, this is having a menu bar, the different options, and below that we have different regions like select area, recorded inputs and record button. But default one is full screen. If you see here, if I drag, these dimensions have changed. First you need to choose the screen size for recording. If you click here, again it goes back to full screen. The custom size 720p. This is 720p. You can keep wherever you want, something like this. And you can change the size. Even you can manually drag to, for example, if you want to record only this region on the top menus region, once after choosing the area, you can, once you click here, it goes out. That is how to choose the screen size. There are different options like standard size and 640 by 480, 920 by 1080p full screen, and even you can select area to record. Once you click, see, this is showing, you can manually select like this on particular region. You can enter here the dimensions. If you want a perfect square of 500 pixels by 500 pixels, you need to enter here 500 by 500. See, this became a square size. This is how you need to select screen size in Camtasia Studio. And the other options in the recorded inputs are mainly camera and audio on. If you want to record web camera, you need to attach web camera to your desktop or PC. I already have attached microphone to my desktop. I'm already recording one microphone here. Even you can, if you activate this one, it will record the system audio also. And this is shows the how much volume you want to record. This is volume level for your recorded inputs. If I click here, this goes off and it starts recording in this particular region. Once if I click here, see, now it starts recording in this region. It's recording. Actually, I am recording this with another software. I want to show this one. It's not possible with the Camtasia Studio. I hope you understood how to choose screen size and how to start recording your Camtasia Studio. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to activate the web camera and how to add other options. This starts recording. See, this is showing by default, it won't show these statistics. and these effects. I have activated those things. Recording toolbars. By default, these two are off, especially when recording. See, for example, effects and statistics, click OK. See, this is the default one. You can activate and deactivate. If you don't want audio, you can off. You can camera and duration. You can switch off all. You will see only these three tools, recording toolbars. By default, this is activated, this is activated, this is activated. Click OK. This is while recording. If you want all, click OK. See, this is right now recording, and these are websites. If you click here, this is going to open Camtasia Studio, and when you click screencast.com, it opens the website. See, this is actually opened the website. And regarding help, like tutorials, these are all as you know what is the Camtasia version and Camtasia recorder help. It opens the website, and these are the main important things.